That's where we're going to try again, Dad.
From uklockspot.co.uk.
I Pickbaby and from ukexport.co.uk.
So it's difficult to say, darling.
Yeah. As you can see, I got this taddy. I'm not going to use this taddy now. All these pigs. All this chocolate. Okay, so first, this is the architect. You can see that. And you can see this will work. So that's the working key for it. Very good. In you go. Okay. I in you go. Okay, this one won't work. Okay, I can't do that one. Out you come. Now, out you come. Now, out you come. Yeah. Now, first. Now.
That's the working key, isn't it?
Yeah.
And is that the one I made for you? Out of a working key?
What is it called again?
It's a warded pick.
My dad made this warded pick for me.
Show it next to the other key then. Pick the other key up and I'll move in closer. Just hold them both up.
Can see what's similar. Cause this one's straight and it's got that on. This has got holes in.
Yep, I needed to file it down so it'd fit your little locks.
Yep. And I just get it go. Oh. See? See. What's this? Whoa, down
straight away, very good. And again, very good. Right the way to the bottom. Good lad.
Come on, Nan. Yeah, don't you want to come up? Okay. Come up, Nan. Okay. Okay, you move, okay? Okay, yeah, you move. Good idea. There. What this? Put you in and in. That's it. Ooh.
Very good.
Out.
Is that the last two?
Yeah. I wobble. Yeah, just die.
Very good.
Will you? Okay, down. Now, I got one left. Okay.
So how many is that you've picked with that warded pick?
I remember.
Have a quick count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. Very good. So that's Pickbaby using a warded pick that I made for him out of a working key for his little padlocks, and he's just picked 8 miniature padlocks with them. So as you can see, he's quite chuffed.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching, guys.
Yeah.
Happy picking.
Yeah.
And
please keep it eagle.
Good lad. Bye.